Hello everyone, how are you doing today? In today's phonics lesson, we will learn the sound of the letter T. This is the letter T and it makes the sound T. T. Let's try saying a few words which start with the T sound. T is for tap. T, t, tap. Tap. T is for toy. T, t, toy. Toy. T is for tiger. T, t, tiger. Tiger. T is for tent. T, t, tent. Tent. T is for tomato. T, t, tomato. Tomato. T is for train. T, t, train. Train. T is for table. T, t, table. Table. T is for tennis. T, t, tennis. Tennis. T is for teacher. T, t, teacher. Teacher. And don't forget me. T is for tortoise. T, t, tortoise. Tortoise. We did so many words starting with the T sound. Can you think of any more? You can tell me in the comment section, taking the help of your mama or papa. That's all in this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you would like to see more such videos, subscribe to this channel. See you again very soon in another video. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.